Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Rozana binti Rahman and my dual partner is Ozzy Jas. We would like to talk about a website. The first question is about what is a website. A website is a collection of linked web pages, sometimes with the associated resources that share a unique domain name. It is often called a website or simply a site. Each web page of a given website provides direct links, which most of the time is already in the form of clickable portion of text. This to allow the user to move from one page of the website to another. To access a website, type its domain name in the browser address bar, and the browser will display the website main web page or home page. It is usually referred as the home. The web page and a website are the same. A web page is called that because it is a single page website. Question number 2 is about advantage and disadvantage of website for business. The first advantage of website for business is potential access to a global market. The internet is an excellent tool for increasing the visibility of the business. It overlooks physical borders, thus giving the products and services high exposure to a global audience. This helps to increase sales as business often reach new markets that would otherwise be beyond physical reach. The second one is reduce marketing costs. The rising of the internet has given a huge increase in various social media platforms. Internet are the platforms designed to connect people with one another. The website is relatively low-cost marketing channels that can be utilized by both large and small enterprises. The person who manages the business can put products and services right in front of the target market without the help from the formal marketing agency. The third one is about the reduced building overhead. Many jobs and business functions can be performed online. This means that incorporating the internet into the business functions could open up an opportunity to have remote staff who can work from home, thereby reducing the cost of having an office building. Next, automated system and resource sharing. The internet has created a million ways to make life easier as a business owner. The internet enables you to share knowledge and information quickly and easily. Business owner can do bookkeeping and customer service care online and get bespoke solutions that automate how customers purchase the goods and service. In short, it can streamline processes while saving valuable work hours from performing tedious tasks. And lastly, about publicity and advertising. The cost of having a business website are actually quite low. A business may need a suitable domain name and good quality web hosting, and they are ready to go. The ongoing costs are minimal, but the potential return on investment could be quite significant. Think of the business website in terms of advertising for the business, and we will be more likely to see the value. Advertising can be done by social influence such as paid review. Now, we move to the disadvantage of website for businesses. The first one is about potentially lower profit margins. The internet has upped the market for many different types of businesses. Although this has made it easier for customers to access the product and service, the internet has also made it easy for customers to access the products and services of the competitors as well. To be at the forefront of customers' minds, businesses have resorted to slashing prices drastically, which has also drastically reduced profit margins. Business conducted in the internet has to be well prepared about the lost sales if customers can find the same product on the market at a lower cost. The next part is about negative reviews. The people nowadays use the social media to voice their concerns and their viewpoints about a business. They are more likely to complain than they are to compliment a business, and this can damage the reputation of a company. A plenty of complaints have gone viral and that have forced business to change strategy or change their product, which result to a loss of revenue. The internet is a powerful tool not only for business but also for customers. The internet have to be handled with care and in accordance with the needs and model of the business so the advantage are maximized and the disadvantage can be mitigated or minimized. Other than that, it's about reliability. The information on the website might be unreliable if not updated on a regular basis. Business owners need to ensure that changes are made when necessary and have a disclaimer with regards to the reliability of the information contained within. Crash and uptime. A website that crashes is no good to anyone. This is a serious disadvantage for a business. If the business website is constantly crashing or unavailable, then people will not be able to find information about the business and could miss out on potential sales. An unreliable connection could also mean a plummet in a website search engine ranking. And lastly, about the spam. Spam can be defined as irrelevant or unsolicited message sent over the internet. These are usually sent to a large number of users for a variety of use cases such as advertising, phishing, spreading malware. This one on this is one of the advantage this is one of the disadvantage of a website which can cause the users of internet grief. Sometimes the advertising of the spam may not be appropriate with the situation or age of the users.
For part 3, what are the options available to develop a website? There are various options. The first one is doing a do-it-yourself website builder. Second one is using a pre-made theme or template for an open source content management system, CMS. The third one is hiring a web design and development company to build a custom website on an open source CMS. The third one is hiring a web design and development company to build a custom website with a framework. For the DIY website builder, it is simple, all-in-one platform to build a website. It has ability to get a functional, well-designed website up quickly. It is great for blogs, informational sites, portfolios, simple business sites, and so on. It is very simple and easy to use for those with limited technical knowledge. And then for the template or theme for open source CMS, it provides the foundation for a website on an open source CMS. It is easier to get a website up quickly without hiring a professional. It is great for blogs, informational sites, business sites, and so on. It is simple and easy to use. It is made for content management, and then open source make learning easy. The third one, custom website on open source CMS. It built a custom website and then add custom functions and features into a website with a powerful system. It is simple, easy to use, and made for content management. The custom or complex user requirements is available. There is a need to hire a web design or development company to build the custom website. For the fourth one, custom website built on a framework. It creates a completely custom website with the custom or complex requirement needed. With more complex system, it might need a web company to add or edit the content. And then it needed to hire a web design or development company to build a custom website. We have also listed a few examples of web hosting and services. The Wix, the Weebly, and the 000 web host. Part 4. Choose one free hosting service and produce a demonstration on how to use it. We have chosen Wix for our free hosting service. The first step is to create a Wix account. You will need to register for an account. Open the Wix homepage and then select Get Started. Then enter email address and create an account. After answering few questions about the new website, the sign-up process is done. After that, you will be asked whether you want to create a website within the Wix editor or let the Wix ADI tool design the website. If you are using the Wix ADI tool, all you have to do is to answer some questions and it will make a website in just a few minutes, complete with custom and text images. Other alternative is you can choose the Wix editor to make a website on your own. The second step, we choose to make website using the assistant or the Wix ADI tool. It's easier and you don't have to give up any control in the end. It will ask the name of the website, some futures question, and then choose the website theme. This is very different from a template. It will ask what you need on your website, what is the name of your store. The questions start out really easy and honestly don't get much harder from here. It's like picking the look and the feel of the site. I'll choose the Wild Rose theme and then click continue. The next step is choosing template. Wix will give you ready-made options. Scroll to each of them and pick one you like the best. This doesn't have to be perfect match. Take your time to scroll through and find the best one that suits. Check out the first template for the page. It has a coming soon landing page. You can also select a blank template and build your own from scratch, but it is more recommended to go for the pre-designed template. In the Wix editor, you can drag and resize any of the content on the page. The next step is to optimize site for mobile device. Click on the mobile icon on the top of the screen to switch between desktop view and mobile editing. Final step is connect your domain. Before you can publish your site and have it go live, you'll need to connect your domain name.